don't have to continue working and fix breaks and try to go back and forth and do all this stuff. If anything breaks, I can just fix it. That way, because I'm intending this for the marketplace eventually, hopefully, and my hope is that I can get it done, get it produced, and fix it, and it or hopefully it won't even require any fixing. I'm hoping everything just kind of works, but of course that's not the way game design works. So I'm fully anticipating that I'm going to have to fix something. Optimism only goes so far. And stretch this way out. Come on. There we go. And let's go ahead and grab these last few. Let's see, middle line progress. This one needs to go away. This one actually needs to be changed to middle line progress 1. Middle line progress 2. This one doesn't get anything. Perfect, 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 perfect. A lot of this is going to be really simple. Once we get this baseline done, the rest of it kind of just falls into place. Oops, I need that too. Boom. Alright, so we are checking to see if right to middle is 0%. Middle line, or right line progress 1 is 0%. No. Right line progress 1 is 100%. And right line progress 2 is 0%. That's what we need to check. Okay. So that check occurs, goes through, and is like, okay, yay, you did it. Boom. Switch this. Right line progress 2 and right to middle both get set to 100%. Perfect. And then last one will be pretty much a carbon copy of this. Undo that. And sorry if I'm moving really, like, I seem to be moving a bit quickly. I'm trying to just kind of barrel through the boring part so we can go ahead and determine if this actually works. Because if it does, I will be very happy. I kind of had this idea and decided to run with it without actually properly testing it. So I have no idea if this is actually going to work or not. It seems like it should. It absolutely seems like it should work. But of course, should and will are typically two different things, and rarely do they agree. Okay. So, check, see if skill up, boom, right line progress. Check right line progress 2, right line progress 1, right to middle. Alright, so that should be good to go. And yeah, so first things first, I want to test this. We're going to set ourselves to soldier so we can get jump. And then we're going to set ourselves to medic and get heal and see if they're different. It'll still say jump on our sheet, but I have a way to test. So do not worry. So we need our soldier. Okay. Hit jump. That still works. Good. and nothing else is lighting up. Okay, then we're gonna hold and alright, charge jump still works. But if we go and we press heal, still does nothing because we actually haven't set it up yet. But if we go in here and set ourselves to medic, grab this, then hit that, hit J, boom, we can heal. Excellent. So this actually fucking works. I am stoked. Let's see, we've got assassin, tech, bureaucrat, heavy gunner. Heavy gunner, we're going to give, let's give him the health. Yeah, we'll give him HP up. This is, like, I'm pretty much just going to use the same skills and just put them in a different order. The great thing about this is because it actually works, you can use any skills and change this out. That is fantastic. It allows us a complete new level of modularity, which is awesome. This one I'm actually going to give XP, or the XP mod. I am so stoked that this works. Let's stretch this out a bit so we can kind of pull this over here. XP mod. Tech is going to get hacking. I could actually set this to just all be one nice condensed thing. And then assassin will get lockpicking, because it really won't matter. Alright, now since we've got this, I'm actually going to borrow this part and do the text here. Go to where it says text. We're going to bind this to a new binding. And let's create a local variable of type text. Set text. Or, sorry, forgot. Let's see. Button 1 name. Two, 4, 6. Alright. XP up. Heal. Hacking. HP up. Jump. You know, we'll do jump plus. How about that? That'll look a little bit better than lock picking. And no matter what, we want to go to the return node. Again, I don't like the look of this, so I'm gonna just kind of be OCD about it. Okay. And then button 1 name. So now what should happen if we did this correctly, which I am hoping we did because this is exciting. Not only should we get a new ability based on our class, but it should be listed as a different ability. I'm actually going to clear out the text. That way, if we're wrong, it just shows up blank. So let's go Heavy Gunner. HP up. Medic. Heal. Ha ha ha! Yay! It works, it works, it works. I'm excited. Okay, so realizing that that's probably really lame to some other people, that is exciting for me. I'm super stoked about this actually working. There we go. That's that one. Now the question is, where does everyone else get their stuff? Also, I need to come over here, and we're going to break down the rest of these real quick before we move on. Charge jump, heal, okay. This is no longer necessary because it's literally just a do once. Can you use set timer by function name and feed your skill function name and use only one node? And you have a bonus control time and looping. I suppose you could. In this case, I only want it to set the name, like right here. I only want it to set these names once, and that's at the beginning of play when it's first constructed. Because this is going to be a persistent skill tree. But I suppose you... I don't see why you couldn't. But yeah, that's specifically why we're doing it this way, is so that it's all kind of a persistent setup. And we're going to call I need to go in and actually name not only all of these buttons here, but I need to name all of this get text. God, I've got so much naming to do. Cooldown reduction. Okay. Take these out. We pretty much only need this. Don't need that, don't need that. Teleport. Let's move this up.